Want to go back to your childhood? Then it's time to play the legendary Plants vs. Zombies Game of the Year Edition. In this video, I'll show you how to download and install the official Steam version step by step. If your game won't launch or shows errors like invalid command line parameter or unable to load steam.dll, don't worry, I'll also show you the quick fix that got the game working. Follow the tutorial, relive the nostalgia, and start defending your house from zombies again. Before we get started, don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more helpful tutorials and tech tips. Now, let's get started. First, open your web browser and search for Plants vs. Zombies Game of the Year Edition. Open the official Steam page for the game. Once the page loads, scroll down and click Download PC Demo. You'll see two options. No, I need Steam. Yes, Steam is already installed. If you already have Steam installed, click Yes, Steam is already installed. Your browser will ask to open Steam. Click Open Steam. When Steam opens, click Install. Next, go to your library and you'll see the game downloading. Wait for the download and installation to finish. Once the installation is complete, click Play. As you can see, the game doesn't launch and displays the following error: invalid command line parameter. Dear. To troubleshoot this, open the game's installation folder and try running the game directly from there. Now, you'll encounter another error: unable to load steam.dll. To fix this, open your main Steam installation folder and locate the steam.dll file. Copy the steam.dll file and paste it into the Plants vs. Zombies game folder. Now try launching the game again. If the game still doesn't start from Steam, go back to the game folder and run the executable directly. This time, you'll see the message: Steam must be running to play this game. Click OK. With Steam running, the game should now launch successfully. That's it! You can now enjoy Plants vs. Zombies Game of the Year Edition and relive the classic experience.